Once an owner-operator has clicked your company's link, your fully interactive listing page appears like this. All Completion Center pages in the Business Jet category are laid out the same, offering a crisp, uncluttered first look at your company. And you control the content, beginning with your logo, your banner image, and other quick view vitals such as location and overview. And even your slot availability if you care to include it. And remember, your page is fully interactive, affording customers a more in-depth look at your company via 3 well-organized sub-pages. Here they can quickly review your company's vitals, your project history, even a gallery of images. And as an option, you may even choose to add video content. And it's all accomplished easily and quickly from your member dashboard. Remember, our mission is bringing pre-vetted owner-operators to your doorstep. And it's right here that customers do that homework, utilizing both your page listing and ProSearch in determining which companies best suit their project. And best of all, it's all accomplished without the premature involvement of your sales force. Visit the Pre-Launch Placeholder tab today and sign up. We're in population mode at this point, and there's no charge until we're fully launched and available to over 9,000 owner-operators worldwide. In the meantime, once we receive your no-obligation sign-up data, one of our representatives will call you to assist in setting up your page. Welcome to Completion Registry.